How to make money on people per hour as a Facebook ads strategist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So to get started guys, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can showcase your skills to the visitors. If they were a business owners, as you can see in here, access global talent on the freelancer website trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So here, if you are a freelancer, obviously, you can showcase your skill in here for the businesses worldwide to come and hire you or to get you for a project or a job with them. So for example, if I was a business owner and I came here looking for a Facebook ads strategist, I will just go to the search in here and type Facebook ads strategist, then click on the search button, and then I'm going to see all of the freelancers that are doing the skill I'm looking for. I'm going to see all of their profiles where they are showcasing their skills. So that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like those ones for you as well, where you can showcase your skills, where you can show the hourly rate that you're happy to work with, where you can describe yourself, describe the skill that you're offering, and other stuff like that. So for example, we have this one, build an awesome Facebook paid ad campaign, PPC. Here we have design a beautiful engaging Facebook post, graphic or advert, design the best social media ad, create, optimize, manage and fix your Facebook ads, Instagram consultation and training call, set up a winning Facebook ads campaign, special price 15% off. So those are all offering various skills considering the Facebook ads. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can be just amongst those people's profiles. So here, go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and then make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password, then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password and login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So let's click on the apply now button and then complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with your own skill, which is Facebook ads strategist. Then you proceed to add in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15. So make sure to use those spots wisely. So here let's start with Facebook. Let's see what do we have in here. Facebook marketing, Facebook advertisement, and here we have Facebook ads management, Facebook posting, banner design, post marketing, Facebook page posting, page design, development, writing, application programming interface, Facebook API, Facebook cover, Facebook games development. So that's it when it comes to the ads, to the Facebook ads realm. And then we proceed to add in your about you. So in this section you describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a great description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going to my competitors that we saw before, checking their profiles, seeing how are they describing their skills, how are they talking about themselves and their previous works, and how much also they're getting paid for us to set a good hourly rate for our profile as well. So let's go back to the search here, click on search freelancers, and here enter the skill that you're looking for, and then hit the search button. Then you go with all offers, and let's check manage 2 social media platforms, run all social media accounts, manage 1 social media profile with the best. That's not what we're looking for. Promote on social media profile, design, that's not what we're looking for. Let's remove Strategist and let's keep Facebook ads. Design a beautifully engaging Facebook post, build an awesome Facebook paid ad campaign. So this is what we're looking for. PPC growth expert, and guys, PPC stands for pay per click, and this is his description. And from the get-go you'll notice that this is a very long description. It's what makes people get bored, but I think it works since he has more than 309 sales and he has more than 30 grand views, and he's a top search in the platform. As you can see in here, we have the top search ranked in top 0.5% of people per hour. So that's a good sign. So let's check his description again and make sure to read it or just take notes about what he's talking about. How did he organize his description? What is very catchy about this long description, even though it's not a good idea to make your description very long, but since it works for him, it can work, guys. And that's it, guys. You can take inspiration from this, and when you're ready to create your description, go to here, click on your profile and click on the edit button. Then you'll be able to edit everything about your profile. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.